we can read one of the most important topic in Python, functions. Basic function. Function is a group of statement which only executes when we call the function. Advantage of using function. One is reusability of code. Program becomes easy to understand and manage. It saves time, easy for debugging and testing, breaks an extensive program into a smaller and simpler pieces. Notes 1. Function returns value as a result. We can pass value to the function called argument. The various types of function are built-in functions, that means predefined function. That is, we can these functions are already defined in the Python library, so that we can only use this type of function but don't modify these functions. These are standard functions that are the part of a Python language and are always available for use. Example: print, length, type, range, etc. These are built-in functions. Again, user-defined functions are the functions that are defined by the user for performing certain operations in a program. These functions are created by a user to perform a specific task. They are defined using the def keyword. Def add a comma b. Add is here a function, and return a comma b returns the value. Inside the add, a comma b are the parameters that we passed. This whole one is function declaration. Now we have to call the function. Without calling the function, it doesn't run. That's why it is necessary to the call function. Sum is equal to add 4 comma 5. Here 4 comma 5 inside the add is argument that we are passing to add function. After that, print the sum of two number is sum. Now again 3 number is anonymous function, means lambda function. Lambda function are a small anonymous, that is anonymous meaning is function without name. Functions defined by the lambda, defined by using lambda keyword. They are one-time function, one-line function. They can take any number of argument. They have only one expression and they don't have a return type. The syntax of lambda is lambda parameters expression. In next, recursive function. Do you know about recursion or not? Recursion means calling the function again and again for same task. This means recursive function are the function that calls themselves in order to solve a problem. They often have a base case to stop the recursion. Example: def factorial n. If n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, return 1. Else return n into factorial n minus 1. This is one function. This one. Here we use indentation. Now we are calling the function by passing argument 5. After that we are printing the factorial of a number. Again, higher order function means those functions that can accept other function as an argument or return function as an result. Example: diff apply operation comma value, return operation value, def double x, return x into 2, result apply operation double 5. While we are passing double comma 5, then operation become now double. We are calling apply operation function, then operation become now double and the value become 5. Now it is returning operation now become double value double 5. Now here it is calling double 5. It is calling here double. Now x is value 5. Now it is returning 5 into 2 is 10. While we print the result, then output is 10. Again, sixth number is generator function. Means generator function uses yield keyword to produce a series of values instead of returning a single value. They generate value one at a time instead of storing all the values in the memory. In generator function, we use yield keyword to generate the function. Now, example def generator function eld1, eld2, eld3. These three values are stored in generator function. Now, for value in generator function, print value. Then output is 1, 2, and 3. Now, another is nested function. Means, have you heard about nested loop or not? Nested loop is loop inside another loop. Similarly, the nested function is function inside another function. I will ask you one question. Is nested function possible in C and C++ or not? Answer me in comment section. In case of Python, nested function is possible, which means one function is present inside another function is known as nested function. Example, def function. This one is one function. Here is one value. Again, another function is def function 2. This is another function. Now we are printing x. Again, function 45. We are calling function 2. Here print x. Again, function. Firstly, while executing this whole program, this function will be called. This function is called. After that, x value become 100. Now, again, this function is called with value 45. Then x value becomes now 45. We are printing x, then 45 will be in output. After that, the scope of the 45 is within this function only because this is local variable. X is local variable. When it comes out from this function, then x is equal to 100 will be printed. Then our output is 45 and 100. Again here see another example. K is equal to list map lambda x into 2x 1 2 3 print k. Here map is higher order function because it accepts lambda function as an argument. Now its output is all list element are doubled. Then 2 2 4 6 is output. The function and its type is list. If you want to see video on the topic of Python and its future, this video is on I button. Please click on I button to see this video. If you want more videos and notes regarding this topic, please circulate this video in your college group to your juniors and friends. This motivates me to make new videos. After completing 1K subscriber, I will also share the notes of all the subjects. That's all for today. Thank you.